Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. You see me doing a lot of SCX30 builds. You ever wonder what the difference between a stock one is and a fully custom one is? We'll go into details. Again, this thing's fully bare bones, nothing added. And in this one, just starting with taking the body off. So we'll go into details, guys. The first thing, the undercarriage, you'll see. Drive shafts are the same. Actually, the axle is the same. The drive shafts are extended 2 millimeter. So it's a little wider. The wheels are Endura wheels with weighted brass inside. These are, what wheels do I have? I've got the Extra Country RC4WD wheels. These wheels are awesome. Wheel and tire combo works out well, nice and squishy. You can see all the brass I have. Lots of weight. I know some people don't like this much weight, but I wanted to do this build. It has the brand new Furatech Nano Komodo system and I'm also using their receiver, transmitter, everything. I love it. It's smooth. Just to let you know, in my opinion, and I have both on trucks, Furatech is way higher, way smoother than the Endura. And I love Endura products, but the Endura system, just the Green Viper, it's not as great. Louder. I also have the 26 millimeter Endura shocks on here. Everything else is pretty plain Jane. I will put the new Endura frame on, but that's on back order. So, and it's Chinese New Year. So again, everybody's waiting for parts. But other than that, guys, this thing is great. So what we're going to do next is we're going to see the weight difference between the stock and the fully customized. All right, guys, now we're going to go over the numbers. And they're going to pop up right now over the trucks, and we'll see and go over the differences between the weights and the bias with these both. All right, starting with the stock, you can see it's total 140 grams. It's 54% to 64 front to rear, 50-50 on left to right, looking good. Going over to the custom, it's a 245.5 grams, so you can see a major difference in weight, and you have a 55 to 45 bias and 50-50 left to right. All right, now we're going to test drive each one and see the potential and how well they perform. Going to start with the stock and then move to the custom. All right, guys, now we're going to try a couple runs with the stock K10 versus the heavily upgraded and see the differences in capability. We're gonna start with this run up this little gorge. So let's go. You can see it's getting a little top heavy right there. Oh, and it lost. So again, a little top heavy on this section. Let's try it one more time, but you can see that it's lifting. It can get up this, but you got to be careful, and we're good. Next section we're going to go up is right here, which is going to go up and around. Test it. And again, this stock one is highly capable for no modifications. It's just a lot tipsier. And we'll go over this right here. We'll hit this right here. Oh, it slipped off, and we're probably gonna lose it right here. Yep. All right, right into the tree. Next line is up the new section, up this all these twigs and stuff. And it's getting stuck. and it can get grip up that. So, you know, it does hold there. We'll go up this. And again with ease, that's a new section. Now we're gonna go up this right here. Actually, the new section, I like doing this. So we're gonna go over here. If I flip it, it's my fault, not the truck's fault. There we go. And then we're gonna hit this nice little tree branch. And then, oh, again, try that one more time, but you see, it is tipsy. It's not as planted. And we'll go over that with the fully modified one in a minute. Right here, let's see if we can do it. And we can. And then we'll go up here. You'll be able to see some good articulation up these little area. And then the next new section that I cleaned out is right here. We'll go down this and up the bridge. And then we got this little new section. And again, it failed. We will go up this section and see how well it does, and one other section for the test. And yeah, see, it's just the bias, it needs more weight in the front. The last one is going up this. See how well it does. Try to do the same line for both trucks. There's a couple lines you can do with this, but you can see it's already slipping off of it. Try to get it. All right, one more try and then we'll move on. Come on, and no. All right, guys, that is the SCX30 K10 stock. Now let's go to the fully modified. All right, now we're gonna do the fully modified. I also forgot to tell you, this also has a 13 tooth front axle gear, which makes this have a overdrive of about, I think they said 23%. Overdrive is a killer, man. I love it. You need to get it if you want to do some serious crawling with this. So this has overdrive. And we're going to try to hit the same lines for a complete comparison. And no problem there. Next we'll go up this, just like we did with the other one. This is going to be no problem at all with those big tires and the weight distribution. And again, we'll go over this. And we lost it with the other one. Let's hope, oh, that wheel's gonna drop, but we should be fine though. Just wiggle it a little bit. Hopefully we'll be fine. Nope. That's poor driving on my part, but maybe we can still, see, and we can still get out of it, guys. All right, we're just gonna go over the rocks. We didn't do that the last time, but just to show the articulation in this truck, it's just awesome. And then we're just gonna slowly go up this. Hopefully not tip it. Yeah, that was bad driving. Again, we went up this. So we'll just go up this and do that run. So this truck might have a problem going up this as well. This is a new section, so it's not perfect right now. There we go. Slips. But then here, a better angle of what we did last time. Wasn't fair. Oh wow, it's having problems right now. There we go. Oh, I got something. I gotta fix that tree that's dangling. So again, we're gonna try this right here. Go over here. into the little bit of sand mud pit. I got a bigger one down. We didn't need to test that though. So then let's slowly do this. And with that overdrive, it digs in a little bit better. And again, right here, we'll be able to show the articulation of this truck. We're going to do the same line as the stock. We'll go down this, go over the bridge, and then with this, it should have no problems hitting this line, whereas the other one flipped over. And there we go. All right, the two other lines that we want to do, we'll go down here, we'll turn it around, show you some extra footage of these rocks and how well real rocks handles. And then we'll go up this. This is a fun section, guys, right here. And if I hit it right, I should be able to get up without flipping with this truck. And there it is. Whereas the other one just wants to flip all the time. So we will use the hand of God and move this to the last section that we tried, which is this. And we'll try to do the same angle we did with the stock truck, just to show the capability differences. And you can see with that overdrive, it just makes a difference with it wanting to just dig in that front end. All right, no problem at all for it. And if you guys are interested, I do have a build series for this track that I built, so check it out in the description. It'll be up on there. But again, and I do, if you haven't seen it yet, I do have this highlighted. That's my local hobby store, Anderson RC. Check them out, guys, if you're in North Carolina. They're wonderful, great owners, Matt and Wes. And then we'll just do a bonus section right up here, because this is, I made this so you can see articulation. So look at these trucks for how small they are. It's amazing. Really is. And then we'll come down here. Hopefully it doesn't flip. And again, see how smooth the engine is? And again, that's the Furatech system. And one last bonus section. We'll go into the tunnel right here. It's nice that these things come with lights, and then you'll be able to see it coming through. Oh, probably when I flip, the cover isn't totally on. And again, let's go up the rocks one more time. And again, look at how capable this truck is. Oh my God, I love these little things. Affordable little monsters. And that's it, guys. Again, if you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button. But until the next one, thanks for watching.